Hammam narrates that once a guest stayed at the house of Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha gave him a yellow colored mattress to use. He slept on it, and during his sleep he had a dream that required him to perform a ritual washing ghusl. Feeling embarrassed about the impurity on the mattress, he cleaned it with water and returned it to Hazrat Aisha. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha asked why he had cleaned the mattress. She humorously commented that he could have just used his fingers to remove the impurity, similar to how she had sometimes used her fingers to clean impurities from Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's clothes. This story shows the simplicity and understanding in the Prophet's household. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23073.